Good morning, children. Standard 7th Geography Unit 2 Map Reading. Today class discuss the topic map reading. Reading of maps will have clear understanding of geographical location, physiographic features like mountain, plateaus and plains, water features, river, lake, ocean, etc., and cultural features such as roads, settlement, etc. The maps are meant to be the preserving records of the past, which will help us to understand the past and perceive the future. Maps portrays political boundaries of different countries and states. It helps the students to visually understand the size and shape of various countries, continents, etc. Maps clearly refer to the properties that people own and the geographical boundaries. Next, discuss the topic maps. A map is an essential tool of a geographer. Map is a representation of the earth as a whole or a part of earth drawn on a flat surface according to given scale. It can show continents, countries, cities and even a local area or drawn with specific details. It is easy to handle and carry as it can be rolled up or folded and stored in computers. Do you know? In the early times, various materials such as animal skin, cloth, parchment, papyrus, wet earth, and clay tablets were used to make maps. Next, discuss the topic types of maps. As each map is unique in its design, content and construction. On the basis of certain common features, maps can be classified into several types. On the basis of scale, on the basis of content. On the basis of scale, large scale, small scale. On the basis of content, physical, cultural. Next, discuss the topic maps on the basis of scale. Large scale maps, cadastral map, topographical maps, small scale maps, wall maps. Okay. Next, the first large scale maps show small areas in greater details because they are drawn on a relative large scale map. Cadastral maps or village and town maps which show individual fields and house sites. Topographical maps shows smaller areas in much greater details about small area. These maps are prepared by Survey of India. These are also large scale maps which show both natural features like hills and valleys as well as man-made features like buildings, road and canals. Small scale maps that show large areas like continent or countries. These maps are drawn on 1 centimeter equal to 1000 kilometers. These are called small scale maps. Wall maps. Wall maps are small scale maps showing large areas. They are useful for students in classrooms and offices. Small scale maps covers a larger area and depicts with limited information. Next, atlas. Atlas is a collection of maps in a book. Atlas maps are small scale maps covering large areas like continents and countries. Only prominent relief features, main roads and railways, important towns are shown in atlas maps. The study of geographic characteristic of large area is possible at the time with help of an atlas. Do you know the science of map making is called cartography? Carti Cartography, the carti that means map and graphic means drawing. One who draws map is called a cartographer. Next, discuss a topic types of atlas. School atlas, advanced atlas, regional atlas, national atlas. School atlas contain the maps giving sufficient details of the home and country. Advanced atlas contain detailed maps of even small regions of the continents and are used as reference atlases. Regional atlas contains detailed maps of small areas prepared with a view to help in regional planning. National atlas contains detailed maps of a country. The maps of a national atlas are comparatively large sized and they are depict general and characteristic features of the geography of a country. Next, discuss the topic maps on the basis of content. Physical maps, relief maps, geological maps, climatic maps, soil maps. Physical maps show natural features such as relief, geology, soils, drainage, elements, weather, and vegetation. Relief maps show general topography like mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, and rivers. Geological maps are drawn to show geological structures, rocks, and minerals. Climatic maps shows the distribution of temperature, rainfall, clouds, relative humidity, direction, and velocity of winds and other elements of weather. Next is soil maps, which are drawn to show the distribution of different types of soil and their properties. Next, discuss the topic cultural maps, which shows the man-made features are called cultural maps. Political maps. Political maps show the administrative divisions of a country, state or district. These maps facilitate the administration in planning and management of a concerned administrative units. Population maps. Population maps show the distribution, density and growth of population, occupation structure and literacy. Economic maps depict the production and distribution of different types of crops and minerals, location of industries, trade routes, and follow the commodities. Next, transportation maps show roads, railway lines, and location of railway station, airports and seaports, etc. Thematic maps represents the distribution of a particular feature or theme and its spatial variation. Do you know digital maps is web-based service that provides detailed information about geographical regions and sites around the world. Thank you.